Completely abandoned village here. So the story from what I heard goes that a few hundred years ago, a king wanted, all the women here were beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So the king, I can't remember his name, Jace Sal or something, he wanted to marry one of the women. So they thought about it, they considered it, then they had a meeting, they were thinking about it. But the next day the king, well, I don't know, the next day the king came, ready to marry one of these beautiful women, and they all left. Don't know why they didn't want to marry the king. Maybe the king was fat and had bad breath, I don't know. So they just left, and nobody has lived here since, and now it's just all completely abandoned. Just blocks and blocks of houses. Just left, abandoned. Wow. Wonder what this village looked like. Again, 300, 400 years ago, when it's just been abandoned by all the villagers. They did not want to marry the king, but of course the king's a powerful man. He could have them all killed if he disobeyed. So they all just left. Oh gosh. Not one woman wanted to take one for the team, not one. Gosh. Completely abandoned. Just look at that though. And here's the temple. Well, maybe it's in use, I don't know. I think it's just a tourist, a little bit of an attraction for Indians and tourists. This guy's on for ages, just abandoned, completely abandoned. Except for maybe these benches. I think they just put them there as like a little touristy thing. But come, look at the village. Have a seat. But yeah, look. Just completely destroyed. There's a cow up there. Let's go and say hi. Let's go and say hi. There's a few cows.